In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation in Google Sites. If you want to make your Google site feel more dynamic and engaging, adding an animation through an embed is a simple way to do it. This method works by placing HTML embed code directly into your site, which lets you display animated content from another source right on your page. To get started, open Google Sites and go to the site you want to edit. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can access the Tools panel on the right-hand side. Once you're inside the site editor, take a moment to decide where you want the animation to appear. That will make the next steps a lot easier and help you place the content neatly within your layout. On the right panel, click on Embed. This is the option you'll use anytime you want to bring outside content into your Google site. It's especially useful for animations, widgets, interactive elements, and other custom web content that isn't built directly into Google Sites. After clicking Embed, choose the Embed Code option. Google Sites usually gives you a couple of ways to embed content, but for animations that rely on HTML, this is the one you need. It allows you to paste the code directly instead of linking to a page. Now, paste the HTML code from the site you want to embed. This code is what tells Google Sites how to display the animation. Before pasting, it's a good idea to make sure the code comes from a trusted source and that the animation is meant to be embedded. If the code is incomplete or unsupported, the animation may not display correctly. Once the code is pasted in, click Next. This gives you a preview of how the embedded content will appear inside your site. Take a quick look here to confirm everything seems correct. If the preview doesn't look right, you may need to go back and check the code before continuing. When everything looks good, click Insert. Google Sites will place the embedded animation onto your page, and from there, you can usually move it around or resize it so it fits better with the rest of your design. Try to keep the animation balanced with the rest of your content so it enhances the page instead of overwhelming it. And that's it. You've successfully added animation to your Google site using embed code. After inserting it, you can continue customizing the page and then preview your site to make sure the animation works smoothly for visitors.